Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I would like to share with you how I make healthy and delicious cabbage salad. It's a great salad for weight loss.
My name is Natalia. I like to cook healthy and delicious plant-based recipes. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you can stay up to date. We are going to make some amazing recipes together. Let's jump into the video.
For the recipe, thinly slice a cabbage. Add salt and gently massage the cabbage. Slice cucumbers. Tomatoes. Your favorite herbs. I like to use dill and parsley. Add garlic. Some pepper, lemon juice, olive oil. Mix everything together. Oh, it smells so fresh and delicious. It's time to serve. Enjoy!
If you enjoy this video and want to see many more delicious recipes, go ahead and like, comment and subscribe. We will see you in the next one.